Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to rotate body. So you can go to the parametric body and I will create new sketch. Okay, for example, a rectangle object and use pad tools to convert into 3D. So here we have this example body, and if you want to rotate, you can right click on the body and then use the transform options. So here we have the rotation here for snapping. So this is about for the increments, like you can set like into 30-degree. So if you click on the dot here in the red axis here, it will be increment every 30-degree. So you can increase like into 45-degree, it will be rotate with increment 45-degree. Another option, you also can use the rotation option here, like for the U as the center rotations in here, the right axis. You can set like into 45-degree and the object will be rotated from the right axis as the center point. Okay, for the view, can click here, like we set into 45, or you can see set in a W for the center rotations like 30-degree. So if you're done, you can click OK to apply the rotation. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to rotate body.